The acute angle between the medians drawn from the acute angles of a right-angled isosceles triangle is. So for convenience, let us consider right-angled isosceles triangle on the coordinate axis by taking origin as the vertex where right angle form, and let us consider say OAB is a right angle triangle and it's isosceles triangle. So let us consider the length is A units, say A comma 0, the point A, and since it is an isosceles, so we can consider the point B also 0 comma A, since it's A units. The acute angle between the medians. So let us take the median. Let us take the medians from the acute angles of a right angle triangle, say B and A. So median is a line segment joining from vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. So let us consider here BD is one median and one more. Say AE is another median. BD and AE are the medians. And there is an angle formed, one acute and one obtuse angle. So consider the acute angle, say theta. Theta is an acute angle. So the point D can be taken as coordinates of D. So let us write the coordinates of AB also. So coordinates of A are A comma 0, B 0 comma A, so that the coordinates of D can be taken A by 2 comma 0, and the coordinates of E can be taken as 0 comma A by 2, since median is dividing the midpoint. Now to find the angle between the two medians is like an angle between two lines. So we had concept when the two lines are having the slopes m1 and m2, then angle between the two lines formula is angle between the two lines and acute angle, so can be taken as tan theta is equal to mod of m1 m2 m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. Mod of m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2 is a formula to find the angle. If theta is an angle, so we can have tan theta is equal to. So for that, let us find the slope of the two lines BD and AE. So let let theta be the acute angle between the medians BD and AE. So let us find the slope. Slope of BD is equal to slope of the line segment BD is equal to, we know slope formula is the ratio of the difference of y coordinates to x coordinates. So here we can take slope of BD. So this point a minus 0, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So 0 minus a upon 2. So which can be written a upon minus a upon 2. So which is negative 2. On simplifying, you will get minus 2. Say this is m1. And slope of AE. Slope of AE is equal to, so let's consider this both. 0 minus a upon 2 divided by a minus 0. So we have minus a by 2 upon a. So this is minus 1 by 2. Say this is m2. So then we have tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2, which equals to minus 2 minus of minus plus 1 by 2 upon 1 plus minus 2 into minus 1 by 2. So which is equal to, so this is minus 4 plus 1 negative 3 by 2 mod upon, so 1, it's a negative of negative plus 1, so 2. So mod of minus 3 by 2 we can take 3 by 2, 3 by 2 divided by 2, this is 3 by 4. So tan theta is equal to 3 by 4. So let's take a right angle triangle. So the ratio of tan is opposite by adjacent. So say this is 3 and here adjacent is 4. Then we have hypotenuse is 5 units. So which implies that cos theta angle can be taken as adjacent by hypotenuse. So cos theta is equal to 4 upon 5, or theta we can write it as cos inverse of 4 by 5. So we can go with an option cos inverse of 4 by 5, that is option C. Option C is the answer. Okay.